Hey, good morning, everyone. How are you today? Patrick here. Bright and early Monday morning. Where are we going? Okeechobee, Florida. Not for a one-day job, not for a two-day job. 7 days, man. 7 days. Why did I take this? It's an hour drive each way. I took it. Number one, the project is very interesting. Kitchen countertops, tile backsplash, a master bath, tile area. I'm going to do my stone in the tile shower area. Another bathroom, all tile, and then spray their bath countertops in my stone color and their funky vanities, which I can't wait for you to see, in one of my satin white finishes. So it's 7 days, but I really took it because the people are awesome. I love working with awesome customers, and 99.999% of my customers are awesome. Just because we put it out there and we can get it back. So this is going to be a great one. We'll be doing a lot of video on it, and I just enjoy the drive out here because I can tune into the radio and watch the cows, wild pigs, and anything else that's out there. It's going to be great.
Hey, Patrick here. Good morning. We are at the job in Okeechobee. It's a big one. This is mud tile. What is mud tile? This tile, look how thick it is. It's embedded in mortar. There's mortar and wire lath behind here. To tear this out, you gotta get Mr. Sledgehammer. We don't want to do that. The tile is in fantastic condition, as solid as rock. They want all white. I don't blame them. I mean, it's a cool design, but let's make it all white. Harvest Gold tub. This is a cast iron tub. It's made by Kohler. This is the best tub that you could have in your home. Keep it, don't get rid of it. Cool little niche here. That's like 8 inches deep. Put a lot of stuff there. I'm gonna spray all that white. Soap holder. You tile around the walls too. We have your towel bars here. I'm gonna spray all this white. So that is bathroom number 1. Let's go take a look at it. So this is the master bathroom. We're gonna be doing a lot in here, but let's focus again on the tile. Look at this cool tile pattern, 1980 something. Color doesn't work today, but I promise you when this is all sprayed up with this showing through the detail, it's going to look awesome. In the shower, we're doing something a little different. We're going to spray the whole inside shower walls in the floor in one of my stone colors, and that color is called Galena. That's going to look sharp. Let's look what else we're doing here. We're going to be doing these vanity tubs. Again, this will be in one of my stone colors. I'm going to do this top and this top, and then over here I'll cut this sharp edge, same color. The next day, spray these faux wood doors and drawer fronts and boxes in a satin white. Again, trying to brighten up the bathroom and update it in just a short period of time. The floor, they're going to cover this with a floating vinyl floor. Because a couple years down the road, they're going to sell this house. So let's make it fresh, modern, and new in just a matter of a few days. Time to get started.
Well, hey, the second to last day of this big job in Okeechobee, and I've loved every minute of it. Let's take a look at what I did yesterday. I sprayed tile in this satin color. All those fruits and vegetables stickers are gone and buried, never to be seen again. Today it's prep the countertop day. I got some repair going on. Let's take a look at this. Someone bored a hole years ago for a cord, but there's actually no plug under here. So the customer asked me to fill it. I said, you got it, fiberglass. Over here, this counter was cut. Believe it or not, this ginormous counter was actually longer at some point. They cut it square. See that square edge? Put a piece of, the homeowner glued a piece of Formica on here, but there was nothing. It was flopping in the breeze. So I put a piece of 3/4 piece of wood under there, glued it, fiberglassed in. It's drying now. Then I'm going to radius this edge and kind of blend it all in. So that's what's going on today. Lots of work today, but I'm so glad that this project is coming to an end so they can enjoy what we've done for them. Hey, we are done. Day number 7. Let's do a wrap up of everything I have done in here. This is the master bathroom. We're looking at it. Let's talk about it. We have a countertop, couple countertops. This one was Formica. This is cultured marble. So I talked to the client and I said, you know what, let's just take and make a line right across here and separate this so the top really does look like a top. And it does. We sprayed the bases in my epoxy semi-gloss. looking good. Customer put on some new hardware. I had to put on some new white hinges for him. The master shower tile area, of course, that's just white. Really looks nice with that design. Then we sprayed this color called Galena. It's a stone color. I have 27 of them. Floor, walls, looks awesome. Over here, did the same thing with this top. This is the makeup area. Same thing with the bases. Again, looks great. Let's go take a look at the other bathroom. Okay, here's the second bathroom. Same thing. Tile shower, tub, white. The rest of the tile, and there's a lot of it, white. Over here, countertop, this color is called Fossil. Very popular color of mine. The sink was fine, left it alone, just wrapped it. And again, the bases. The customer put on some new hardware. It's all it really needed, just a little update. 2 bathrooms done, let's go look at the kitchen. Here is your kitchen. Check out this island. This is the largest island I've ever sprayed, believe it or not. And it's huge, and it used to be longer. Can you imagine? But it was cut at one point. They put Formica on. I had to do a lot of fixing underneath to support it. There was a crack here. I rounded over this edge to kind of go with that chamfer. Looks really nice now. Over here, more countertops. We're putting a new sink in a couple days. That'll be nice. Stainless appliances go very well with this color. Even their natural maple cabinets go really nice. Tile backsplash, sprayed that in a complementary color that we kind of saw. One of the colors in the top, we matched that to cover up those vegetables and fruit. The only place vegetables and fruit go is your refrigerator. That's it, 7-day project. Great surfaces to work on, even better customers. I'm Pat Kalinske, 772-678-9758. Follow us on YouTube, Pat Kalinske Official. I'm here for you. Give me a call.